7,000 is going to be kind of a big deal. There, we broke through 7,000. Can we claim it and accept above? We. They.
What just happened?
SN says we can have a very productive relationship with China. Competition.
You got going on over there, Chris?
I just took a position on NQ on top one and it auto liquidated me for like $100 loss, and I don't know why. I have no risk settings on. I wasn't down by more than 80 bucks. And now it's not letting me trade. Very strange. Oh my God, this is so fucking annoying.
Seconds. Zero spot 1%, 0.1%, owner forecast is 0.2%.
Nice, Allie.
All right. Just a big V on NQ on the 5-minute. A little bit of back test. Didn't quite make it to the band. We're hovering over top of the weekly band on NQ right now. Actually above the quarterly on ES. Oh, that was PDC on the monthly.
I had a
I thought that was
10 micros and I got liquidated for a $77 loss, and now I can't trade. What the hell?
we have
4
an X
points.
post coming up. There it is.
Trade of 8. Oh, you guys also had problems? Great. Never ending fun. At least it wasn't anything devastating, but I was hoping to trade it.
We have posted a video of US trading sector investors. We can obviously-
Well, it's a web-based application I'm using, Logger, so me rebooting shouldn't need to. It's just logging out and logging in, but either way. Weird. Okay. Yeah, not working. I got them looking into it now. Patience, Hoku.
Patience, Hoku. Patience.
Jeez.
Didn't we talk about this yesterday? Yeah, but it's the emotions.
Yeah.
Care if you're jumping, right? It's the emotions. You got to be okay being okay.
Yeah. This is 3/4 of the job. The market's going to test your ability to be patient more so than it will ever test your ability to execute.
Go outside and toss some lava rocks around. Go carry a hose.
Get yourself a squishy ball. Squish.
Hoku's in Hawaii, so that's obviously with the name. Thank you, Captain Obvious.
I'll be right back.
Just chilling out here. Looks there. There's the pop. Woo! Look at that. And we have liftoff. ES right off of the RTH upper band. You can feel it coming. CBD is straight up. There's your launch sequence. Get the POC or create POC at the top, and did you get that wizard man? Did you cast your spell? Yeah. Fitty. Got me fitty. Good job.
Man, that was the long I would have liked to be in. God darn it. Gosh darn it. That's annoying.
Gotta pay attention. Gotta pay attention, Chuck.
I'm waiting for top one to look into my account. I do have their.
Call them up.
I have them on chat.
ES did not make a higher high on the CVD. I don't know how relevant that is. Yeah, it does, Dwayne. Shit happens. Is that the blow off top?
I don't know. We could just grind higher after that failed
We could.
breakdown. Oh, I have nothing to trade now. I'm not trading my cash account. Feeling sick.
No.
I did trade my top steps well, and I was trying to trade my top ones, and it liquidated me for a $70 loss, and now I'm locked out.
How cool if I had $1 for every time.
You'd have $2.
Just in the last hour. What do we got? What do we got? 7017 looks juicy up there with the IB extension from yesterday. Keep going, Hoku. Keep going. Stair step up. Patience. Patience.
Patience, grasshopper.
Sir, you see what I see. Could be a tap back to point of control,
Late entry.
which is the RTH upper band on ES.
So there's an advanced setup on here. The late entry continuation trade out of the advanced playbook module 5. Damn.
Damn is right.
Trade of 8 working for anybody?
Working for me on Apex.
Not working for me at all, guys.
Whoosh.
After I got liquidated for $70. Shit. All right. Well, let's see what's next. That VWAP bounce. We really haven't had. Oh, look at that. Dang. Very thin. That was a. Right off the RTH right there.
Yeah. To the tick, Yuri.
It's working again, but now I got to see if they'll remove that loss. Even though it's not that big of a deal. It's really kind of BS. Ask me. Think it holds here? What do you guys think?
Net effect, are you on ES or MES? Are you on NQ or MNQ? Yeah. RTH VWAP Bounce was on NQ. ES was right off the session VWAP.
Come on. All right, put up some green on that long there.
Trend continuation move.
If they remove that trade, I'll be up nicely. Bastards. Rat finks. Somebody on YouTube, it's his first day ever trading. It's an exciting
Good
day.
place to be.
I agree. I wish I had a group like this with my first day of trading.
Yes, please.
I was just chasing price. It's going up. It's going down. It's going up. It's going down. The stochastics are crossing and the EMA is pointing up. Long it.
Don't forget the oversold and the overbought. Man, drill down to the 15-second. You can catch every wiggle.
And the MACD. I mean, Ross Cameron still uses the MACD. He makes millions trading, but it's a very different style. Definitely not with futures. I love the awesome oscillator, Scott. It was awesome. Didn't make me any money, but it was awesome.
US Commerce Secretary Blackneck says the American demand is bad for AI chips, and we don't want to do anything to stand in their way.
Interesting. Top one's not replying to my request to have that trade removed. They got my account working again. They did not admit fault or that there was anything wrong.
Whoosh. A little bit of POC back test.
So we have an LVN right here, right?
Blackneck refrains from
Yeah, right there at value area high at 420.
after the US will curb China's
I'd like to see us trade above this for more upside.
That'd be nice.
Otherwise, this could be a potential rejection area. If you're not long already, this is not a good place to long. I've tried everything, Havdala. I've tried them all. I'm like the Pokemon of prop firms. Got to try them all.
Yes, getting close to a new high.
Okay, what's going on here? Kind of like it. Let's trade through this LVN. We can see some more upside. We want to see it hold. Kind of grind through it. Goes.
Oof.
Loves to do that, doesn't it? Let's see if it gets bought up quickly.
Sitting on the top of the band.
That's a flushacito.
Yep.
As a 3%, we'll likely need stop count on GHS to avoid shutdown. Currently, Senate Majority Leader Green speaking to reporters.
Yes, back to the weekly band.
Quite a bit of barcoding here. The upward structure hasn't been broken yet, but now we're kind of doing like a pendant type pattern. Back to point of control.
Get there. Is that a back test of the upper band? Band's kind of been traded through a bit.
Yeah, I wouldn't use that as a setup location anymore or any type of indication of anything.
Here we go.
Got about a 20-point long here. I'm in at 82 and a half. It's about 30 points right here.
Minute 74 and a half.
Good stuff.
Can it get to the top? Let's go to the top. Stuck on these RTH bands. Maybe I should just take it off here before I get flushed again.
Yeah, it is quite volatile, Russ. Very choppy.
I would call it that, Kyle. I mean, it pulled back into that low volume node. Here we go. Here we go. Let's keep going. The volume node has been rejectable, though. Did you see the sweatshirt, Chris?
I did. Looks great.
Full on.
How's the quality?
It's good. I feel like a snug as a bug in a rug.
Nice.
I don't know why I have this urge to break out into cover songs.
We're forming a
Feels
big distribution
good.
here now. We want to get above this LVN and trade up into this area at least. Then we can maybe take out those highs and go up to the next LVN at 465. But until we trade above 420 and hold, that's a rejection point for now. Rejection, right? So we have this very clear distribution right here. This will be our value area low. This will be our value area high. So until we trade up here, we can expect this, and ultimately that. If this, then that. And we don't predict the shift. We trade what it currently is doing. Now we are getting a bit of a flat top here. It looks like it's more likely to go up than down, but anything can happen.
Here we go. We got an IB.
We have an IB, ladies and gentlemen. Sure would like to see a break. There goes. Come on. Come on now. Let's get to that IB.
You still in it?
Yep.
ES coming up on IB right now.
Still long. There we go, baby. Still long.
I'd take it off at 250 bucks.
I want the kiss of IB.
Well, we just got the wick of IB on ES.
All right. I took it. Nice trade. Does it want more?
Good. I'm done. I'm done with that trade.
Done diddly on?
Yeah.
Like Ned Flanders done?
I mean, I think for the day there's probably more upside, but let's see what happens with the ES Madonna. This happened yesterday though. ES gets to IB right as it's set.
Yeah.
And it pushed right through.
Senator Flynn says the White House could make VHS a counter offer available soon.
Come on now. Get on up there. LJ. My name's Chris Drysdale, and I'm going to show you how to trade lean hogs.
All right, ES. What's your 20 here? ES. Trade today's chart. Trade today's chart.
Come on now. Let's get up to that IB.
Another check of the upper band and point of control for both NQ and ES.
Now, mind you, we've stitched
Yeah, you
over
want-
the upper band multiple times, so that's not a great setup location.
Biggie, put it at 8:30 to 9:30, please. Central time in the indicator, bud. Of course it is, SM. You've got IB high up there at 447.
Yesterday's IB high is at or value area high is at 426. We do a trader check-in, 10:38. A little over an hour since the market opened. They added 77.50 to my account.
There you go.
See, guys, if you don't ask, you don't receive. So
They didn't ask you for a video?
no, they did not. I said, listen, guys, that was clearly an error on your side. Can you remove the trade? And they replied back with, we've added $77.50 to your account. No, they don't. I don't feel like I get treated any differently. I really don't. All right, they probably don't even know who I am in the customer support, unless I have my account flagged or something like that. Probably not, JP. Probably not. Top one support is actually very good. Way better. I agree with you 100% there, Andy. Much better than Top Step. They usually get back to me within minutes. Well, what are we thinking here?
Why would you say that, Bob?
Well, it's gotten a lot slower, hasn't it?
Yeah. The bigger Madonna pullback on ES. How many of y'all grabbed that Madonna on ES?
It's a beautiful Madonna. It's one fine Madonna.
Good, good.
Spot gone through over 1%.
Spot gold falls 1%. Here's the weekly upper band. We seem to keep getting rejected at.
Now that's just a bunch of baloney, SM.
Yeah, if you're just trading trend, then yes. But we have entire setups for trading balance conditions, SM. So there are trades. If it's not a part of your playbook, that's quite all right. But there are trades. Nice.
Both NQ and ES are sitting on point of control. Pop.
Pop, pop, pop.
Back up to the RTH upper band. What's up, my tickers?
All right, I think I'm going to stop there with this account. Up 250 and the straight to funded 50K. Trading balance, guys. There are balance setups, not just discovery continuation. You have to recognize what market condition we're in. And if you only trade continuation, that's fine. You sit and you wait for continuation setups. However, there's a lot of us here that are really good at trading balance and scalping balance conditions. In fact, I make most of my money in those conditions. So to say that we have to be in price discovery to make money is not true. In fact, I've made a lot of money trading balance. So let's get one thing straight.
LJ's making money.
And the best part of this system, guys, is we appeal to both traders. You just recognize the market condition and you trade your setups accordingly. And if you get to a point, you can do both. Ambidextrous, if you would.
Laughing at crypto. Ticker, please. Yeah, for sure.
Exactly,
But you
SM. That's
still-
why we know the setups for that condition.
You have a lot of fun passing the ball back and forth.
Lots of good trades there. A lot of scalping opportunities. Trade the fade value area extreme. Core setup number 2 out of the VWAP Wave System, SM. Designed for that exact market condition. And then when we break out like you're looking for, then we switch to our price discovery continuation setup and we trade that market condition.
At the top of the balance distribution now. You can feel the pressure building.
That's right, SM. And what setup do we trade in that condition? A fade value area extreme because it's being accepted. We expect a rejection back into value. Exactly.
We're also not ignoring the fact that we have higher lows and a relatively flat top on ES. We have lower highs on NQ, but I think that's more of a function of ES flat top.
Strong delta on
The
NQ.
RSI is,
It's going straight up.
Yep.
See if we can hold here. Oh man, rejected again. Let's see if we can get to the further side of value. That would be nice.
the RSI on the 2-minute is showing the way. And when you ignore it, you pay the price.
That says the dollar was manipulated higher over many years.
Patience. Patience.
Patience pays. Rejection again.
It says following few trip used trade surpluses to buy our country.
Feel like they keep sucking in the shorts though. All those shorts are going to be squozed out if we do break higher.
Dollar index goes to the zero side. Off back of the comment of US Commerce Secretary that makes saying the dollar was manipulated higher over many years.
Coiling up even tighter.
That makes sense. The rest of the world.
Absolutely, SM. No worries.
Yeah.
Everybody's here to learn. We got people from all different levels.
Starmer says, I would lead the Labour Party into the next general election. Lanik says the video, China must adhere to the H200 chip license terms.
What? No way. Fun is where it's at, Dave.
Don't listen to a word Dave says.
Lanik says,
I've been accused of wearing medium-sized shirts.
first quarter.
We all know that's not true.
No, LJ, that's Danny.
Posted a live video of Lanik speaking before the Senate on the feed for those interested.
I don't trust the cells. I just don't, but they could probably go further than we think before it gets bought up.
They have been.
Says we'll see an enormous plan to achieve job growth in 2026.
And this is the low volume node on ES. There it goes again. Back to RTH.
RTH VWAP right there. There's the touch. Welcome, Jerome.
See you, Yuri.
Haven't really even touched the Globex VWAP, have we? Since we broke above it at like 9:50 an hour ago.
Nope.
I don't know, Hart. I don't know. I don't use one on NinjaTrader. You can change the, use the regular VWAP and just have the session start at 9:30. So use regular trading hours on the data series, and that will give you a RTH VWAP. So cut out the extended hours trading. That will do it.
Do you let him know? Did you
Yeah.
email it? I don't know.
So 360 is going to be your Globex and value area low on the developing. See what it does here.
ES coming into VWAP.
This is actually where NQ goes red, right here. So can it stay green? Look at that. Almost 20 points. See if it can continue or whether the Bears hold it down here.
That's right, Andy. ES right off of the same three, but VWAP was right on top of them. Up 30 points.
Nice.
Make that 40.
Beautiful trade, guys. Right down to the value area low VWAP, Globex VWAP. All right. I'm going to close up this funded account. $287.
Still expecting worse comments off.
Puts me at 674 in total for this account. Brand new, second day in.
See that right on the indicator too. Right off the value area low line.
New York Fed says total US household debt will
Be continuation or give me death.
$4 trillion at the end of 2019.
I don't know. Right back to point of control there. Bears might still have control.
Yep.
Thank you, Andy. Have a great day. I'm going to wrap up a little early today, too, because I got class at 11:30.
Delinquency increased in fourth quarter with 4.8% allowance in some form of trouble. Rates of earlier transition into delinquency rose for mortgages.
Nate, I think it was more so a value area low, and it's the bottom of that big, beautiful distribution we had there. VWAP scalp is a confluence, so it's not a bounce. It's a scalp.
The Fed says delinquency transition rates for auto credit card and home equity line of credit loans stayed in the fourth quarter, with mortgage delinquency issues concentrated in the lower income zip codes in the fourth quarter.
Yeah, man. I mean, the way it's sitting right now, I mean, the wick of the 1046 candle was basically value area high, and we went and wicked value area low. Textbook fade value area extreme.
USSR $105 billion in forward bills on February 12th to settle on February 17th.
ES is looking weaker.
I think I'm going to wrap up a little. My throat's bothering me, so I'm going to take some medicine. Get prepared for class. Chuck, if you want to take the reins for a little bit.
I don't have sharing capability.
No. Okay. Maybe it's because I'm sharing.
I don't know. We can try. Yeah, that must be it. I should be able to do that. Let me get
Thanks, guys. I'm going to wrap up here. Chuck will take you for a little longer. I got to get ready for class, and have a wonderful day, guys. Manage your risk. Stay sharp. And ideally I'll have the Asia stream this evening, depending on how I feel, but I imagine I'll try and make it work, guys. So see you this evening. See you at class. Have a wonderful day. Thanks, Chuck.
You're very welcome. Hope you feel better. I'll see you in a bit.